Understanding Part L of the building regulations. The building regulations ensure that buildings are constructed and renovated with energy efficiency at the forefront of the building planning and building work process. Part L and building regulations are statutory instruments made under the Building Act 1984. Specifically, Part L deals with the energy performance of buildings, with the aim of reducing carbon emissions and improving overall energy efficiency. It is divided into two main volumes. The first is on dwellings, covering new and existing homes, and the second is on buildings other than dwellings, covering commercial and public buildings. The overall goal of Part L is to reduce the energy demand of buildings while ensuring that they are constructed or renovated in a way that reduces or minimizes heat loss and maximizes energy efficiency. There are key requirements listed in Part L. The first requirement is thermal performance standards. It sets minimum standards for the thermal performance of a building with an obvious focus on walls, roofs, floors, windows, and doors. Secondly, new builds must meet primary energy and carbon emissions targets. Another requirement is airtightness and ventilation. Buildings must be constructed to limit uncontrolled air leakage rate, which can lead to heat losses, and adequate ventilation must be provided to ensure good indoor air quality. Additionally, the use of low-carbon heating systems is encouraged, such as heat pumps, solar thermal, and district heating networks. Lastly, all new buildings must be assessed and issued with an energy performance certificate, rating the building's energy efficiency from A, most efficient, to G, least efficient. Part L is important for new builds, renovation, and existing dwellings for a number of reasons. An important point is its environmental impact. Since UK buildings are responsible for around 40% of the UK's energy consumption and 30% of carbon emissions, improving energy efficiency and encouraging renewable technology is crucial to meeting climate targets. Also, it results in cost savings, as energy-efficient buildings become cheaper to run over time due to lower heating and electricity costs. Market value is another important point, as properties with high energy ratings could be attractive to buyers and tenants, potentially increasing property value. To conclude, Part L of the building regulations has a vital role in buildings in the UK. It helps reduce carbon emissions and improve energy efficiency in buildings, while setting clear standards for insulation, heating, and energy use to help create more sustainable spaces. There are key requirements to be met, including thermal protection standards, EPC certificates, and more. Part L is also important for its environmental impact, cost savings, and effect on market value. It will be an important stepping stone toward future legislation such as the Future Homes Standard and Future Buildings Standard, set to come in force in 2025. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.